In a world with so many different types of affiliate marketing programs, how do you know which one's the best? Well, as your side hustle private investigator, I've had the chance to try out a bunch of different affiliate marketing programs. One of them happens to be ListLion. So today, I'm going to give you my personal review on the ListLion program. So without further ado, come on in. All right, so here we are inside the ListLion program. As you can see, it's ClickFunnels layout, so it's very similar to all the other programs you may have done in the past. ClickFunnels is the platform that you use for this program. So the menu over here on the left-hand side with a video right next to it, menu on top, very similar to everything you probably have seen in a ClickFunnels program course. So I won't bore you with the details on each one of them, but I just wanted to kind of lay out what it looks like and also go through the day 1, day 2, day 3 format that Randy has. Of course, in the beginning, there's going to be an introduction video. It's just Randy telling about himself and how he came about with this program. Day 1 is going to get you started. Day 1 is going to teach you a little bit about affiliate marketing and some of the tools that you may need for affiliate marketing. And then it's also going to walk you through a program that Randy recommended for us to go get in Warriors Plus so we can start promoting that program. Once you're done with day 1, every night there's homework for you to do, which is kind of cool also. But once you're done with day 1 and you get that link, then you can get your autoresponder, which is part of day 2. Autoresponder, basically, Randy walks through what happened last night. Usually takes about 24 to 48 hours for you to get that autoresponder, but you can start working on the course in the meantime. So it talks about autoresponder and how that works and how that portion of your affiliate marketing program works. And then it talks about the perfect affiliate funnel and how that works. Again, part of this program and what I love about it is that the funnels are done for you already. So Randy and his team do the funnels for you. You basically would only have to create content in your autoresponder. He also connects you to an autoresponder from Email Octopus so that by day 2, you should have that information available ready for you so you can start creating your emails and such for your affiliate programs. So most of it is, half of it is done for you with his funnels and things like that. And then you would have to just create your emails for your Email Octopus autoresponder account. So that's basically day 1 and day 2. Day 3 basically walks you through traffic and how that works. Part of Randy's program does give you a discount for traffic. So he connected with some folks that do traffic and they give you a discount for it. And that's basically what kind of he goes through traffic and walks you through how that works. You don't have to purchase traffic from there. He just explains to you how you can basically scale your program. What's next is basically when you can become an affiliate for the program. The affiliate, how to become an affiliate, goes through the details and the bonuses. One of the great things that I love about this program is that every month Randy does a 100% commissions. So he picks a week or so, usually a week and a half, each month. And he says, hey, during this week, we're going to launch something different. So it's usually connected to a launch of a product that he includes in his program. And then you get 100% commissions for that week and a half, however long he does that launch promo. So 100% commissions at least once a month. And you basically get 100% of whatever you sell during that time. So a lot of people take advantage of that and basically push a little harder during that time. But it's one of those things that stands out from this program versus other programs. One of the other things that I appreciate is Randy's very down to earth. He communicates with everyone in his program through Facebook Messenger. It's usually the best way to get in touch with him. He's also very involved in the Facebook group. And that Facebook group is always hopping. There's always people talking and sharing with each other and encouraging each other through that group. Very vocal Facebook group as well. So that's also something that I really enjoy about this program. The other thing is from here, basically, you can decide whether you want to become an affiliate for the program or not, and why wouldn't you with the great programs, the great commissions that includes in the program. So it's 50% commissions for your basic plan. Let's talk about the different plans while I'm on there. You can start the program for $7. The $7 plan basically gives you all of this that we just talked about. It also gives you 100 subscribers. So you get 100 subscribers that you can promote whatever products you want for that. For those subscribers, these are Make Money Online subscribers. So if you have other Make Money Online programs, you can definitely promote it through those 100 subscribers. So that's the $7 plan. You pay it one time, that's all. There is a monthly subscription plan for $49, which gives you 500 subscribers per month. So every month you get an additional 500 subscribers until you stop paying those $49. And that basically is another group of people that you can promote the program to. Also very generous of Randy to do that. You get 50% commissions as well as the 500 subscribers that you're added to your email campaign every month. The VIP program is what I went with. I started with the $7, went to the $49, and right away noticed the benefit of this program, so I went VIP. The VIP program, you pay $997 one time. The benefits of VIP is you get one-on-one time with Randy. You can schedule one-on-ones with him as much as you want. You also get 75% of your commissions. So every time you get a commission is 75%. And you get 750 subscribers per month every month. So again, the program is definitely worth it for the amount of money that you're paying for it, whether you go to the $7 plan, $49 plan, or VIP, like I did, and go for the 750 subscribers per month, 75% commission. And again, one time, $997. So those are the plans. There's a lot of other information in here, which again, I will not bore you through, but it has a bunch of different trainings that you can take. You know, how to pick a niche, all these different things, marketing, Facebook marketing, all different trainings that are included as part of this plan. One thing that I will also add is you get 100 clicks per month to any link that you choose. So what you do is you would put the link in here and you would submit it, and then Randy sends 100 clicks to that link. Also part of the program. Really cool. Very generous of Randy to do all these things. In my opinion, he's a really generous guy, very nice guy. So again, that's another thing that you can do. As you can see, it's very full of a lot of, you know, content and information that you get for what you're paying for. In my opinion, definitely a great program. As a matter of fact, this is the program that I promote in my ultimate side hustle program. So I'm very invested in this program. Again, I went VIP. Randy's a great guy. This is definitely a program that I would recommend for anyone, especially if you're starting out as a new affiliate. Lots of good training in here, and the price that you get, the amount of content that you get for the price is very, very good. Okay, so your next question would be, is this program really worth it? And this is my affiliate page for this particular program. As you can see, this month I've made $502. The cool thing about this program is that because people are signing up for a monthly subscription, you get reoccurring subscription. As you can see, here's my 75% reoccurring commissions. And so far this month I've made $502. And again, every month, because it's reoccurring, I will continue to make around $500 or more. And the more I add, obviously, the better it is for me. If I add some VIP in there, also that would be added onto the total. So as far as commissions are concerned, this program is actually really worth it. And by the way, I'm not really pushing a lot this program. I don't usually do a lot of promotion for this program. It just kind of, you know, sells itself, if you will. So is it worth it? Definitely worth it in my opinion. Now, I know I've given you a lot of information about this list line program. Hopefully it's been helpful for you. If you're ready to make that decision, I'm going to drop a link right below here somewhere. You can go ahead and go to that link. It'll take you right to there and you can take advantage of this program. If not, that's totally okay as well. By the way, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Share this with as many people as you can. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit that bell and like this. For now, this is your Side Hustle Private Investigator. I'm signing out of here. Peace.